Hello, hello dear student, welcome back. Today we will talk about our exercise 14A of chapter 14 basic geometrical concept. As I have in previous classes I have explained you about line, segment, ray. So today we will talk about our exercise 14A. So here these all are the questions. We will try to solve the questions. Okay. So first question, identify the line segment in the given figure. Here is a line ABC, So and the second, so here is another line AB. So we have to find the line segment in this figure, in this line segment. And here the triangle PQR, we have to find the line segment. Here rectangle APB, ABCD. In this you have to find all the line segment. So here we will try to solve the first question. Here A. So here ABC. So you know the line segment. A line segment having two endpoints. So here you see that a line segment is AC. You know AC is a line segment because it has a two endpoint and it has a definite length, so it is a line segment. And how we have to represent a line segment? You all know that AC, we just write AC and make a bar on it. So this is the representation of AC. So here you see that figure ABC. So I have drawn there ABC, that figure, and we have to write all the line segment. So line segment are AB, you see that is a line segment AB, here line segment, another line segment BC, okay, another line segment BC, and here when you join these 2 points A and C, you got another line segment, so that is the third line segment AC. So in first figure we see that there are 3 line segments, that is AB, BC and AC. So this is these are the 3 line segment of that figure AB, BC. Okay, in this figure there are 3 line segment AB, BC and AC. So we have written line segment are AB, BC and AC. Now we will solve the second question. Answer of B. Okay, so here we see that A, P, Q, B. Here you see that figure. In this you have to find all the line segments. So here you see that when there is a two endpoint, segment is known as line segment. So here you see that AP. So AP is a line segment. PQ is a line segment. QB is a line segment. And here AQ is also a line segment. If we draw through these 2 points, point P and B, so we get also a line segment PB. Okay, so here we will try to solve. So line segment are line segment are. So AP, when you see these 2 points, here we see that this form a line segment. So AP is a line segment. PQ, so PQ is a line segment. PQ, QB is a line segment. QB is a line segment. Now we join these 2 points A and Q. So we got AQ. And if we join P and point B, so we get PB. And if we join point A and point B, and so we get AB. So these are 6 line segment. Okay. These are the 6 line segment in this figure. In this figure, we get 6 line segment. Here AP, PQ, QB, AQ, and PB, and the last one will be this straight line segment AB. Okay, so in this line segment are AP, PQ, QB, AQ, PB, and AB. Now we will talk about our question C and question D. Okay. So let's again repeat. In that figure, question A, line segment are AB, BC, and AC. So in this line segment are AB, BC, and AC. In figure 2, in figure B, we see that line segment are AP, PQ, these 2 points PQ, QB, AQ, and PB. So PB and last will be AB. Okay. Now move to question C. So figure C. Here you see that figure C. In this you are seeing that there are 3 points PQ, PQ, and R. So we have to find the line segment. So PQ will be the first line segment, QR be the second, and PR be the third line segment. Okay. So here line segment are these 2 points when meet they will form a line segment PQ. Okay. When these Q and R will meet they will, if we join a line segment through Q and R, so we got a line segment QR. So here QR and PR are RP, both are same. Here PR or RP, both line are segment. This is the property we can write PR or RP, both are same. So we just write a one PR. Okay. PR. So these are the 3 line segment PQ, QR, and PR. These are the 3 line segment we get in this figure, triangle PQR, PQ, QR, and PR. Okay. Now we will talk about question D. Now we will talk about question D. In you this see that rectangle is ABCD. A rectangle ABCD. Okay. So in these line segment are line segment are AB. Okay. These 2 points make a line segment AB. So line segment AB. Here these 2 points BC. Okay. So this will form BC. Line segment BC. Here these 2 points C and D. So these form CD. And the last one AD or DA. AD or DA. You know these 2 line segments are same. So we just write a one AD or DA. So we just write AD. We just write AD. We just write AD. So these are the line segment in this figure, AB, CD. So AB is a line segment, BC is a line segment, CD is a line segment, and last line segment is AD. Okay, so in this figure there are 4 line segments will be formed: AB, BC, CD, and AD. Okay, so these were all about question 1. Now we will move to question 2. Now we will talk about the question 2. That is question 2. Identify the point of intersection in the figure. So that is a question 2, and in this you have to with the help of this figure AEB, CB. So or we can say that ABCDEA. So in this figure ABCDE. Okay, in this figure ABCDE, you have to with the help of that figure we have to give the answer of that question. Okay, we have to give the answer of that question. So you see that in the first question, that is identify the point of intersection in the given figure. In the figure, identify the point of intersection in the figure. You know, point of intersection when two line segments meet. When two line segments meet, suppose that here is a AC and here BD. So when they meet, that point is called intersection point, or when they cut each other, that point is called intersection point. So this point is when two line segments meet, we can say that it form a point of intersection. So that point is called a point of intersection. So we have to identify the point of intersection in the given figure, or we have to just count the number of point of intersection in the given figure. So here you see that when AE, here line segment AE and this one BA or AB, they meet. Okay, this line segment EA and this line segment BA meet at that point. So that point is a intersection point. That A point is a intersection point. Here you see that AE and DE meet. So that point is intersection point. Here you see that ED and CD meet. So that point is intersection point. Here you see that DC and BC meet. Okay, DC and BC meet. So that point is an intersection point. And here you see that a line segment AB and this line segment BC meet. So that point is a intersection point. And here you see that AC and BD meet. So that point is also intersection point. So identify the point of intersection in the figure. So here six point. Here you see that A, B, C, D, E and F. So we just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first answer will be of answer A will be 6. Okay, there is a 6 point of intersection. Okay, 6 point of intersection. And now name 6 point in the figure. Name 6 point in the figure. Now we move to question B. Name 6 point in the figure. So you see that point this is a point A, E, D, C, B, F. So these all are the 6 point. Okay, these all are the 6 point. So we just write Answer B. Answer B. So answer B is point. We have to count the write the point. Okay. So here you see that A, B, C, D, E, and F are the point. So you just write A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, and F are point. Okay. Answer of B will be A, B, C, D, E, and F. A, B, C, D, E, and F are the point. Now identify 7 line segment. You have to find any 7 line segment in the given figure. You have to find any 7 line segment. Okay, any 7 line segment. So here you see that this is a line segment. Okay, AB, a line segment AB, BC, CB in these 2 points C and D. So this will form a line segment CB, DE and AE, and line segment AC, BD, and here also a line segment will be AF or FD and BF. So there are many line segments are formed in this figure, but we have to write only 7 figure. 7 line segment. We have to write only 7 line segment. So you just write any 7 line segment. Okay. So here we just write AB. Line segment are answer C. Line segment are line segment AB, BC, CD, DE, AE, AE, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now AC, okay, AC and AD and BD. How many? 3, 6, 7, 8. We have to write 7 line segments, so you can just write any 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So line segment, you have to just write any 7 line segment, so you can write AB, BC, CD, DE, AE. Okay, AC, here you see that line segment AC, here you see that AD and BD. So you just write any 7 line segment. Okay. Now we will talk about D. What is the point of intersection of line AC and BD? What is the point? What is the point of intersection of line AC and BD? AC and BD. You see that AC and BD intersect at point F. AC, this line AC and this line BD intersect at point F. So answer of D will be F. So F is the point of intersection. F is the point of intersection. Now question E, can you draw 2 more line segment in the given figure by joining any of the given points? Okay, by any of the points. So we have to draw any line segment, any 2 line segment. So we can draw B by joining these 2 points B, E. So here we can draw B and EF. Here from these 2 points we can draw EF. Okay. So our answer will be B and EF. Okay. Answer E, join B, point B and E. Join B and E. We get line segment B and join E and F. Okay. So we get EF. We get EF. So these are the two BE by joining B and D, and by joining E and F we get EF. And now the last one, identify the horizontal, vertical and oblique line. Horizontal, vertical and oblique line. You know, this is a horizontal line. This is a horizontal line in sleeping position, and so this is a horizontal line. So this line are called horizontal line, and if this line in standing position, this line is called vertical, and if the line will be like that, so these are line oblique line. These are called oblique line. This line will be called as oblique line. So here we have to find some oblique line, some horizontal line, some vertical line. Okay. So that is our question F. Now we will solve question F. Answer F. Horizontal line, vertical line and oblique line. Oblique line. So here you see that horizontal line BC, you see that BC in a sleeping position. So BC and A is a horizontal line. Okay. So horizontal line are BC, horizontal line BC and A. BC and AE are horizontal line. Okay. Now we will talk about vertical line. We will talk about vertical line. So here you see that AB is a vertical line. AB is a vertical line. AB is a vertical line. So AB is a vertical line. AB is a vertical line and oblique line. So here you see that AC is a oblique line. B is a oblique line and AC B, and here you see that AD. Okay, AD is also a oblique line. Here BD is also oblique line, but we just write only 3 lines. Okay, so we just write AC, BE and AD. So we have written AC, BE and AD. There are more oblique lines are like BD BD is also a oblique line. Here you see that AF are also oblique line. Here you see that EF are also oblique line. There are many more lines, but we just write only three: AC, BE, and AD. Here AC, here AC, BD, AC, BD, and BE. So these are the three oblique lines. So we have solved these two questions, first and second, and we will try to solve the question third in later classes. Okay, in next class. Thank you.